guys, welcome back to another video. If you're new here, my name is Khadija. If you're not new, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we are back with another wig install, and today we are featuring Onemorehair, and this is their packaging. Today we received a wig cap and some eyelashes in our package. And this is our wig for today. It is a 22-inch 4x4 Deepwave wig. This is it. If you want to get this unit, the link is in my description, so go ahead and click that link and make your purchase. If you want to get any other products from Onemorehair, their website is also in my description, so go ahead and make your purchase. This is our wig for today. It is a 22-inch 4x4 Deepwave wig, and this is it. I'm just gonna go ahead and jump right into the install. I won't be wearing a wig cap because it's a closure unit, so I'm just gonna go ahead and put a wig grip strap on, and then we apply our wig. Okay guys, so now I'm just gonna go ahead and put some foundation on my lace, and then we install our wig. But this is our lace without foundation. I'm just gonna go ahead and put some foundation on my lace, and then we install our wig. Okay guys, so this is what it's looking like with the foundation on. This is it. I'm just gonna go ahead and install my wig. Okay guys, so this is what our wig is looking like now that we put it on. This is it. I'm just gonna go ahead and finish this up, but the link is in my description, so go ahead and make your purchase. Just gonna go ahead and finish up my wig. Today I'll be using my Eben Wonder lace bond glue to install my wig. So this is what it's looking like. So this is the finished look. This is it. It turned out super cute. I didn't want to be all simple today, so I did a little thing up here and it came out in favor of me. So I'm loving that. And the hair is super fluffy. It is still wet, but it is still fluffy, still looking silky and sleek. This is it. Okay, it is giving cute. It is giving laid. It's just giving. This is it. Again, this wig is from Onemorehair, and this is their 22-inch 4x4 Deepwave wig, and this is the finished look. This is it. If you want to get this wig, the link is in my description, so go ahead and click that link and make your purchase. If you want to get any other wigs from Onemorehair, their website is in my description, so go ahead and make your purchase. This is what our wig is looking like, and I love it. If you decide to try this wig, make sure you go ahead and tag me. Use my special code to get your discounts. This is it. I'm really in love with how it came out. This is it. You can see it's still wet, but it's still giving fluffy, it's still giving body. The curls are just perfect. This is it. This is the end of today's video. If you like this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up, leave your comments down below, and most importantly, go ahead and subscribe to my channel. Until next time, I'll see you guys in another video.